What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to talk about how to create your business LLC in the United States using Northwest Registered Agent. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Abubakar and I'm the jack of all trades. So first of all, I want you to go to northwestregisteredagent.com, and don't worry, you'll find a link in the description of this video below. Now once you're on the website, this is what you're going to see. Now I already have an account, but we're going to go through creating a new company in the US. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to start an LLC. Now it says how to form an LLC. An LLC is a smart and affordable way to start a business if you want personal liability protection and flexible taxation options. However, creating an LLC that is in compliance at the local, state, and federal government levels requires more than simply filing formation paperwork. Now, it's asking us to select a state. Now, the first thing you'd like to do is I like to create an LLC in a state where I won't be asked to pay a state tax. So you can come to Google. We're going to type in states in USA that don't accept state tax, and then we're going to press enter. Now we're going to wait for this generation there. It says as of 2025 there are 9 US states that do not levy a state personal income tax. These states are, and you have all of the states here to choose from. Now we're going to keep all of these states in mind, and we're going to choose one of them. We're going to choose Texas, but we're going to go back to Northwest Registered Agents, and we're going to choose Texas from here. And once we're here, this is the information we're going to use to create the LLC. So start an LLC in Texas, and when you scroll down, you're going to put in your business name here. We're going to put in a new business, and we're going to add an LLC. You can choose to add, so what it's going to say is new business limited liability company, or you can do it new business LLC. This is just to it's just a name on your document, and you can see it here. You see, this is a prototype of what the business filing paper will look like. So new business LLC, you can choose new business limited liability company. That's going to be the full name, but let's use new business LLC. This would be your business name though. Go to next, and on the next page we're going to choose this option. So we let the company apply for us. Then we're going to go to next. For this mailing address, you're going to toggle this on also. So you're going to use Northwest Registered Agent's address, and then the organizer, you're going to hire Northwest to file for you also. So you're going to click this, and they're going to go. So you're going to submit. Now you're going to input your first and your last name. Your business name is going to be pre-filled, and you're going to add an email address and a password, and you're going to click on submit. Now this is what your dashboard is going to look like, and once you scroll down, you can see your business here, and you're going to click on this. Once you're in your business, you're going to see the details. You've already you only created the skeleton of what the business would look like. So now we need to create the business itself. We're going to click on edit. You're going to click on member manage. We're going to leave this blank. Here we're going to use the Northwest Registered Agent's address. So use our address, and here you're also going to click use our address. And now you're going to come to the top and you're going to save. Now after saving, you're going to scroll down and you're going to come to active services. You're going to add a service, and once you click on add, you're going to see this cart is populated. Now this is the first things you need. You need a business formation, and you need to file with the state of Texas. Now let's scroll down to where we see EIN. So EIN, tax ID number for non-US citizens. We're going to click on this and add this to it also. Now we need a federal EIN tax ID, and we also need a business formation. So here you're going to click on review cart, and this is how much it's going to cost you to create an account with Northwest Registered Agents. So you're going to check out, and then you're going to select a payment method. You're going to add a payment method actually. add it, credit card or bank account, and once you add, you're going to place the payment. Once you place the payment, it's going to go through, and I think in a week to 2 weeks you should get your company details, and it's going to take an additional 2 weeks to get your EIN number, because you need to get the company details first, and that's what you're going to use to get the EIN, federal EIN number. Now that's how you create an account with Northwest Registered Agent. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Jack of all trades.